Understanding negative case in English language. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the concept of negative case in English. This phrase might sound technical, but it's actually a simple and essential aspect of learning English. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how it's used in everyday language. Negative case refers to sentences or phrases where the meaning is made negative. This negation usually involves words like not, no, never, or nothing. It's crucial in English as it helps express disagreement, denial, or the absence of something. Let's look at some examples to understand better. Affirmative: she is a teacher. Negative: she is not a teacher. Notice how the word not changes the sentence's meaning. Similarly, affirmative: they have completed the work. Negative: they have not completed the work. Negative case is also used in questions, particularly when expecting a negative answer or to express surprise. For example, isn't it raining outside? Haven't they arrived yet? A common mistake learners make is double negation. For instance, incorrect: I don't need no help. Correct: I don't need any help. The incorrect sentence has two negatives, don't and no, which can be confusing. Negative case can be applied across different tenses. For example, present simple: he does not play football. Past simple: she did not go to the party. Future simple: they will not attend the meeting. Understanding and using the negative case correctly is vital for effective communication in English. It's a straightforward concept, but pay attention to avoid common mistakes like double negation. I hope this video has been helpful in your journey to master English. Happy learning!